friends, today we are going to review about GoPro Hero 7 Black. So it's got some main features like no other GoPro had ever before. It can record 4K at 60 FPS. Then it's got a slow-mo 8 times as well as hyper smooth stabilization. They say like gimbal-like stabilization in GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let's see what else we have got in the box. Let's open it. So this is how a GoPro 7 looks like. So let's take it back. Let me take this out. This is a Hero GoPro 7 Black, and let's see what else we have got. We have got 1 year extended warranty. Then this is the bill. This is the manual and safety precautions, how to use it and how not to. And here we get some information about how to open up the casing. So let's get started with it. There are some stickers to GoPro. Let's see what else is there in the box. There will be getting some clips, one battery, data cable, battery, and mount holders. Mount holders. Fine. So let's open up the Hero GoPro 7. Let me open it up. So let's put on the battery. Let's insert the battery. There, see, you can see there's one more slot that is for memory card. You can insert a memory card there. And right now I don't have a memory card. It doesn't come with a memory card. So here you will be getting two slots. One is HDMI port, the other one is the charging port. And they claim that the case itself is waterproof for about 10 meters. So let's turn on the GoPro. There we go. It's saying insert the SD card. Right now I don't have it, so it's good to go. It is a 4K 30 FPS. So guys, that's it about the video. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
Sometimes I got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a